Welcome to Chain Reaction by Capital Copilot, your daily dose of the latest in cryptocurrency news, market insights, and blockchain trends. Let's get started. Bitcoin breaks through resistance and surges toward $80,000 as geopolitical tensions ease. Tether battles circle for Solana dominance with a massive bailout package. Schwab brings $11 trillion in assets to crypto trading, and Kraken makes a strategic acquisition to dominate US derivatives markets. Bitcoin rallied to $78,000 after Iran declared the Strait of Hormuz completely open to commercial vessels during the ceasefire period. The announcement sent oil prices plummeting nearly 10% and triggered a massive risk-on rally across global markets. Bitcoin is currently trading at around $75,000, up significantly from levels below $70,000 just days ago. The strait carries roughly 20% of the world's oil supply, and its reopening removes a major inflation threat that had weighed on risk assets throughout the conflict. Circle Internet Financial is facing a class action lawsuit filed by Drift Protocol investors who lost funds in the $285 million exploit on April 1st. The lawsuit alleges Circle failed to freeze $232 million in stolen USDC during an 8-hour window as hackers transferred funds from Solana to Ethereum. Circle defended its position, stating that unilateral freezing decisions outside legal processes could create a moral quandary. Meanwhile, Tether committed $127.5 million to Drift's recovery with a critical requirement. Drift must transition entirely from USDC to USDT. This move positions Tether to challenge Circle's dominance on Solana, where USDC currently holds 52% market share compared to USDT's 21%. Charles Schwab announced spot Bitcoin and Ethereum trading through Schwab Crypto in a phased rollout. The firm manages $11.8 trillion in client assets and employs 16,000 financial advisors. This follows Goldman Sachs filing for a Bitcoin income ETF and Morgan Stanley disclosing $1.24 billion in BTC ETF exposure. The wave of institutional adoption continues to accelerate, with Wells Fargo, Bank of America, and Vanguard all opening Bitcoin ETF distribution to clients in 2026. Kraken's parent company Payward agreed to acquire derivatives platform Bitnomial for up to $550 million in cash and stock. Bitnomial holds all 3 CFTC licenses required to operate a full-stack derivatives business in the US, including exchange, clearinghouse, and futures commission merchant licenses. The acquisition eliminates years of regulatory build-out and positions Payward to offer spot margin, perpetual futures, and options for US clients under CFTC oversight. Sam Altman's World project unveiled a major upgrade to World ID, positioning it as full-stack proof of human infrastructure designed to combat deepfakes and bots. New partnerships include Tinder for verified human badges, Zoom's Deep Face feature to verify real humans in meetings, and DocuSign for proof of human checks in digital agreements. Despite the significant announcements, the WLD token fell approximately 10% to 28 cents, underperforming the broader market rally. That's a wrap for today's edition of Chain Reaction by Capital Copilot. We hope you're feeling more informed and ready to navigate the cryptoverse. Until next time, keep your digital wallets ready.